The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County, northwestern Hamilton County, Tipton County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Noblesville, or 20 miles north of Indianapolis, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Carmel, Noblesville, Elwood, Tipton, Windfall City, Westfield, Cicero, Sheridan, Arcadia, Atlanta, Shopsville, Windfall, Morse Reservoir, and Drigden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Madison, and Tipton.
This is NOAA Hazards Radio KAC-74 in Indianapolis.
The National Weather Service in